between Gutierrez and Francisco. A semi-final game. Silin Copa Centro. Bakbaka na. Tip by Francisco. Nakuha ni Olivera. Sumalaksak shot. No good. It's in. 2 points para kay Hernandez. Arita. Dribbling. Nakuha ni Condalor tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Arita. Hello. Arita shot. No good. Hello. Rebound by Arita. Pass to Condalor. Steal by Hernandez. Shot. No good. Rebound by Francisco. Easy 2 points on Francisco. 4-0 in favor of Centro. Hello, Mike. 15 seconds to shoot. Belocora pass to Francisco. Shot. 2 points on Francisco. Olivera pass to Gutierrez pump. Out of bounds. White ball. Centro. Ball. Hapson inbound the ball. Pass to Belocora. Pass to Hernandez. Wide open shot. It's good. 8-0 in favor of Centro. Condalor gumamit ng screen. Condalor umikot. Traveling violation para kay Condalor. Belocora pass to Hapson. Post up move. Francisco shot. Shorty. Rebound by Gutierrez. Pass to Condalor drumag sa kaliwa. David. Rebound by Arita. It's in. Ang unang puntos para sa Gobas. 8-2 in favor ng Centro. Francisco. Post up move. Shot. No good. Rebound by Condalor. Steal by Belocora. No good. Rebound by out of bounds. Centro ball. Hapson pass to Hernandez. Setting a play. Pass to Hapson. Shot. No good. Rebound by Arita tumira. No good. Rebound by Francisco. Pass to Hernandez. Wide open. Using the glass. Condalor. Gumamit ang screen. Tumege. Out of bounds. Bola ng Centro. Score ay 10-2. Lamang pa rin ang Centro. 15 seconds to shoot. Belocora. Belocora shot. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Steal by Hapson. No good. Rebound by Hapson ulit. Foul. No good. Last throw. Zero out of 2. Rebound by Arita. Hapson first personal foul. First team foul on Hapson. Condalor behind the back. Nakuha ni Gutierrez tinira. It's in. 2 points para kay Gutierrez. Hernandez. Pass to Belocora. Post up move. Francisco shot. 2 points on Francisco. Score ay 4-12. Lawang pa rin ang Centro. Arita shot. No good. Rebound by Condalor. 2 points on Condalor. Hernandez. Nagana ng papasan. Pass to Francisco. 15 seconds to shoot. Francisco umikot. Nakuha ni Hapson. Easy 2 points para kay Hapson. Inbound the ball by Arita. Gutierrez through Mike. A Eurostep on Gutierrez. Belocora pass to Irlandes. Irlandes nagkaroon ng mapapasahan. Umikot. Black by Gondalor. Steal by Gondalor. Shot. Easy 2 points para kay Gondalor. Belocora pass to Hapson. Hapson taking his time. Pass to Belocora. Pass to Francisco. Francisco pause up again. Foul on Gutierrez. First personal foul. Steal by Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Shot. No. No. Pass to Belocora. Score 14-12. Lamang pa rin ang sentro. Rebound by Gondalor. Pass to Gutierrez. Wide open shot. It's in. It's a deadlock.
Diyan ka pala!
Medyo humabol.
Idol daw sila pala. Deadball idol. Babas na yun ah. Deadball. Deadball eh. Ano daw? Bola na. Napunta na naman. Tingnan ako ng
Last 16 seconds para sa sentro. Fifteen seconds. Black by O'Malley. Rebound by Concepcion. Drew Mind. Pass to Ladera. Ladera still on Condalor. Condalor. Foul. Who's foul? Ladera. First personal foul. Second team foul. Second team foul ng Centro. Condalor. Pass to Condalor. To Arita. Foul. Gregorio. First personal foul. Third team foul. Third team foul ng Centro. Condalor. Pass to O'Malley. Wide open shot. 2 points on O'Malley. Cage favor lamang na ang Bobas. Gregorio shot. Noted. Rebound by Gondalor. Using the grass. Easy 4 points para kay Gondalor. Gregorio pass to Francisco. Back to Gregorio shot. Noted rebound by Arita. Noted rebound by Francisco. Ladera. Noted rebound by O'Malley. Pass to Gondalor. Condalor. Pass to Condalor. 15 seconds to shoot. Condalor wide open. Noted rebound by Gregorio. It's in. Lamang pa rin ang Gobas ng dalawa. Turnover. Centro. Ball. Concepcion. Pass to Gregorio. Gregorio to Francisco. Gregorio. Pass to Concepcion. 15 seconds to shoot. Sumalaksa. Pass to Ladera. Black by Gondalor. Rebound by Gondalor. To Mali. Shot. Foul on Concepcion. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning ng Centro. First throw, no good. Second throw para kay Mali. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Score ay 19-16 in favor of Gobas. Gregorio inabas ni Mali. Gregorio nakawala. Shot. Nobo driven by Gondalor. Gondalor shot. It's in. 2 points para kay Gondalor. Concepcion inbound the ball pass to Gregorio to Francisco. Francisco. Dinadalawa na. Pass to Concepcion. Easy 2 points on Concepcion. Traveling violation. Centro ball. Concepcion, pass to Gregorio. To Francisco, out of bounds. Go, pass ball.
Time out.
Time out. Centro. Back to Ondalor. To Ondalor. Punege. Umali wide open. Tinira. It's in. 2 points on Umali. Concepcion pass to Gregorio. Inaaras ni Ondalor. Out of bounds. Bola ng go pass. Turnover.
Ganyan. Game ay nag-studio. Ayusin mo
Umali, pass to Ondalor. Back to Umali. Tinira ng 3. Babababang! What? Triple shot. Gregorio, pass to Concepcion. Munti pa mawala. Concepcion. Hinaras 15 seconds to shoot. Hinaras ni Umali. No good rebound by Ondalor. It's big.
Knockout. Knockout.
Knockout. Delaying the game. Umali to Arita. Arita. Still by Concepcion. Gregorio. No good. Rebound by Concepcion ulit. It's in. 2 points on Francisco. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Umali hinaras ni Gregorio. Umali through my pass to Ondalor shot. No good. Rebound by Gregorio. Pass to Francisco. No good. Rebound by Arita. Foul. Who's foul rep? Francisco. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty ng Centro. First throw para kay Arita. Wala. Second throw. Wala ulit. 0 out of 2. Pass to Gregorio. Gregorio inaaras ni Ondalor. 15 seconds to shoot. Gregorio shot. Professor Gregorio. Last 1 minute. Arita through a traveling violation. Gregorio. Pass to Concepcion. Concepcion nakawala. Concepcion shot. 2 points para kay Concepcion. Ondalor, pass to Ondalor. Pumege. Hinaras ni Gregorio. 15 seconds to shoot. Ondalor, no good. Rebound by Arita. Shot. Foul. Foul. Gregorio. Second personal foul. Penalty. Bonus throw para kay Arita. Bonus throw lang. Ready to jumpers. Wala. Rebound by Francisco. Naghahanap ng tinira. Rebound by Umali. Drop pass to Arita. Easy to bounce on Arita. Wala na ba shot clock? Counted. Last 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Concepcion inuubos ako 10 seconds to shoot. Concepcion inaras ni Umali. Foul on Umali. First personal foul. Third team foul. Last 6 seconds. Pass to Gregorio. 3, 2. It counts. Kobe. leg.
Pwede rin nasubukan kung sakaling hanapin at
Score ay 30-26. Lamang bebas ng apat. Takin muna tayo, takin mga players, takin. Huwag natanggalin.
Kaya ko di mahuhuli ah.
Hapson, inbound the ball pass to Irlandes. Irlandes pumunta ng gitna. Out of bounds. Same ball. Gregorio pass to Irlandes. Irlandes drive. Shot no good, rebound by Condalor. Condalor with save. 2 by 5 Condalor. Pass to Irlandes. Irlandes block by Condalor. Out of bounds. Centro ball. Gregorio pass to Irlandes. Pass to Hapson. Hapson, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Francisco. It's good. Gutierrez. Pass to Umali. Umali. Out of bounds. Centro ball. Gregorio pass to Irlandes. To Francisco. Pumost up. Pass to Irlandes. Shot. 2 points on Irlandes. Umali pass to Gutierrez. Condalor tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound. Still on Gregorio. It's a deadlock. All 32. Pass to Condalor. Condalor, hinaras. Foul on Hapson. Second personal foul. First team foul. First team foul ng Centro. Condalor. Gumamit ang screen. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound. Gutierrez. Pinilit. Rebound Francisco. Pass to Hapson. Still on Umali. Umali. Eurostep. No good. Out of bounds. Centro ball. Francisco pulls up. Nakalibre. Change favor lamang na ang Centro. 34-32. Centro ball. Pass to Francisco. Francisco no good. Rebound by Condalor. To Gutierrez. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound ng Rivera. To Mali. To Condalor. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul on Gregorio. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Condalor gumamit ang screen. Eurostep. No good. Rebound by Francisco to Hapson. Using the glass. 2 points by Francisco. Timeout. Bebas. 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Gutierrez drive. No good. Rebound by Gregorio. To Irlandes. Shot. No good. Rebound by Condalor. Condalor. Using the screen. Drew Miles sa gitna. It's good. 2 points on Condalor. Score 36-34 in favor of Centro. Francisco shot. 2 points on Francisco. Gumamit ng screen. Condolor pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez tumira ng 3. Kapos na rebound ni Umali. Umali shot, no good rebound by Abson. Pass to Hernandez. To Francisco. Pumege. Drive shot. No good rebound by Condolor. Condolor. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by Umali. Umali. Pass to Olivera. Condolor. Tumira ulit ng 3. Boom! 3-point shot para kay Condolor. 37-30. Lamang pa rin ang sentro. Francisco shot. Nagulong ng Condolor. Iseto point. Change favor. Lamang na ang Bobas. Nakuha ni Gregorio. No good. Gutierrez shot. No good rin ng Condolor. Condolor. Easy 2 points on Condolor. 41-38 in favor of Bobas.
Sige, walang shoot. Wala pa.
Wala bang sab, wala pa, hindi pa naman dead ball.
Sorry ah. Wala dito. Hindi tayo mag-bash par.
Gregorio inaras ni Gutierrez. Paul Gutierrez. Second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Pasokin labas out. Buluhara pa ay to Hernandez. Last 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Buluhara. Mahuhani. Foul. Arita. 7. First throw, it's in. Last throw.
Alam mo ah.
41-40. Condolor.
Pag-usap ka pa rin.
Foul ng Buluhara. First personal foul ng Buluhara. Third team foul. It's it. Second throw. It's it. Rebound dari. Gumamit ang screen. 15 seconds to shoot. Arita shot. 2 points on Arita. Hernandez to Buluhara. To Francisco. Block by Condolor. Rebound by Condolor. Condolor crossover move. Pass by Arita. Tira. Wala rebound by Francisco. Buluhara. Umikot. Traveling violation para Condolor pass to Arita. 15 seconds to shoot. Condolor tumira ng 3. Shorty. Centro ball. Hernandez to Francisco po sa move. Back to Hernandez. Hernandez. Drive. No way through by Arita. Arita. Condolor punege shot. 2 points on Condolor. Score 48-42 in favor of Bobas. Out of bounds. Bola ng Bobas. Timeout. Sentro. Arita. Gumamit ang screen. Shot. Pupuso ng Arita. 50-42. In favor of Gobas. Pass to Hernandez. Hernandez. Tumige. Foul. Counted. Who's foul rep?
21. Number 21.
Arita. Third personal foul. Third team foul para sa Gobas. Paul straight win. Paul straw. Condolor. Foul on Hernandez. Second personal foul, penalty.
Score para. Score 50. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Uy, gago ako. Tay-tay Rizal, oh. Hello.
Condolor, Rashad. Kung hindi ka ganyan, hindi ka hindi ka
Hello. Uy. Hello, hello. Ano? JB. Kaya mo siya. Wala nga eh, wala mo. Paul si Carlo.
Hello, hello, hello. Warning for penalty. Gobas. Carlo warning for graduate. Out of bounds. Gobas ball. Arita pass to Ondalor. Taking his stand. Gumamit ang screen pass to Arita. Tumira. No good. Rewang by. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Condolor. Naras na dalawa. Olivera shot. Hukong doon Olivera. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Gregorio. Pass to Hernandez. Hernandez through my pass to Gregorio. Kumike. No good. Ibang by Condolor. Nakuha ni Arita. Score 53-47 in favor of Gobas. Last 10 seconds. Same ball. 2 balls on Condolor. Pass to Francisco. Post up move. Francisco shot. No good. Keep by Condolor. Pass to Condolor. Foul on Greg. Hello. Substitution. Driven by Igo. Pass to Umali to Condolor. Back to Umali. Ginagamit lang ang 15 seconds to shoot. To Arita. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Condolor. 5, 4. No good, driven by. No good. Hernandez shot. No good again. Driven by Francisco. Hello, hello. Driven by. Hello. Score 57. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Black. Foul on.
Maliligo.
Last throw, no good. Rebound by Condalor. Condalor inaras ni Bilocora. Pass to Condalor. Nakuha ni 15. Irlandez, easy 2 points. Inaras ni Bilocora. Bilocora. 10 seconds to shoot. Hobson provide. No good. Rebound by Condalor. Tungali. Inubos ang oras. Back to Condalor. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Tungali. Still by Francisco. Pass to Bilocora. Hobson, no good. Rebound by penalty na ang Cobas. Hello. Like this. Last throw. Time out. Set throw.
Jay, pektos na pasa lang, Jay.
Hello. Like this. Umali pass to Condalor. Condalor taking his time. 15 seconds to shoot. Hit by Gregory 8. Foul on Bilocora. Second personal foul, penalty. Both penalty na. Last 1 minute and 11 seconds. No good.
Oh, mga pogi, oh.
Last throw. Go pass ball. Turnover. Umali taking his time. Umali dribbling. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Condalor shooting the glass. It's safe. Shooting to Condalor. Pass to Gregorio. Nice save. Nakawala si Bilocora. Tulog ang Bilocora.
Wala, sige, wala.
Score 57-60. Lamang ang Gobas. Condalor Eurostep. Pass to Gutierrez. Shot. No good. Rebound by Umali. Foul. Hello. First throw. Pumasok. Hello. Marquez. Hello. Marquez. 202. Umali. 62-57 in favor of Gobas. Still on Arita. Wala na tayo shot ka. Foul on Gregorio. Graduate. Penalty. Pumasok.
Hello. Mic test.
Hello. Wala. Na-rebound ni Francisco. Foul on Condalor.
One seconds.
18 seconds. Rebound by Francisco. 15 seconds. Foul on Concepcion. First throw, it's in.
Uy, score!
2 out of 2 para kay Condalor. Hapson tumira ang 3. Nobel mga Gutierrez. Foul ang Gonzales.
Hello. Tackle talaga kayo. Gutierrez, last throw. Manuel. Venga. Lang mic. Wala na pre.